In a world where positive change is a collective responsibility, Interact is a movement that empowers the youth to make a difference. Interact is not just a club, it's a network of young activists that are constantly eager to make a difference in society. On this platform, you are heard, seen, and appreciated. Join us in Project Sarathi, dedicated to introducing the spirit of service, leadership, and global understanding of Interact. To fund our large-scale project, we organized a powerful street play raising awareness about mental health among vulnerable youth. The public response was incredible, demonstrating strong engagement with the impactful drama. During the auspicious Tihar festival, we hosted a Deusi Bhailo program, promoting our culture and strengthening connections with the local community. Singing and dancing to Deusi Bhailo songs, we received generous funds for our initiatives. With funds gathered from events and a strategic plan, the Interact Club of Valmiki inaugurated a project at Maulakalika temple, perched on a tall hill. Noticing its occasional lack of cleanliness, we initiated a cleanliness program, placing eco-friendly bins along the 1200 steps to restore its natural beauty. With Goddess Kalika's blessing, we proceeded to our next project. Recognizing the essential need for clean water and proper hygiene in today's world, we discovered a remote school lacking these facilities, leaving students without access to adequate water and toilets. In response, we constructed water taps, a water distillery, and toilets to ensure the students' safety and protect them from diseases. Additionally, we provided water filters, electric motors, and other maintenance equipment on a large scale to Kaziman Adarbhut School, addressing the students' deprivation of pure drinking water. Poor dental hygiene is rapidly becoming a major issue among the children nowadays. To combat this problem, we came up with another project, a free dental camp, which literally means Project Smile. Our service included a free dental checkup camp for 150 plus students of a government school, along with distribution of toothpaste and brush to every child so that they could always smile their best. We, Interact Club of Valmiki, a well-known platform in the entire district 3292 Nepal and Bhutan, are constantly contributing to uplift Interact movement with all we've got. Either small or big, contributions are being made in the society, and we are always striving for service and self-development and eventually influencing others to do so as well.